Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to change location on Shein app. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to change location on Shein app. Maybe because you were living in a city or a country and now you have moved out of it. So you want the app to also change the location so you could get the feed related content related to where you live. Or maybe you want to change the location so that you could get to know what is getting purchased in another country. Or there could be any other reason for you to change your location on Shein app. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can change your location on Shein app. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Shein app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Shein app to open it. Once app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. First, at the top, you will read the title of the app. Then you will find some options at the top and bottom, and in the middle of the page, you will find bunch of products. So now, if you want to change the location, what you have to do is that you just have to simply look down on these five options, and from these five options, what you have to do is that you just have to simply select this right bottom option, which icon is similar to profile. You just have to simply go into this option, and once you get here, you will again find bunch of options on your screen. Every option is different from each other and has its own specific purpose in this app. So from all these options, you just have to simply click onto this settings icon, this one. Once you tap onto that option, you will land into the page of settings. Once you get here, first you will read the title of settings and you will find bunch of options on your screen. Every option here is specific to its own task that it performs in this app. So from all these options, here we have this option which says location. If you look closely to it, you will find that there is a country selected along with it. So if you click onto it, you will get into all these locations. Right now, the location is selected is the country of Angola. So if you want to change location, what you could do is that on the search bar, you could type for the name of that country and that country will appear and you can select it. But otherwise, if you want to explore manually, then you just have to simply swipe your finger and there you will see multiple countries or locations available. You can choose any one of these by just tapping on it and that country will be selected. After that, what you have to do is that you just have to get back and there you will see the country will be updated. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can change location or country on Shein app. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.